Now a lot of people want to know how to fix the Air Force PX21 Turtle Beach. You know, when it breaks like this. If you ask me, my opinion, I feel like you see where they have the wire go through here and come through here. The whole entire headphone's good quality, but over here is the weak. This is the weak part of the chain. I feel like it's done on purpose so they can make more money. But the way we fix this problem is like this. I decided to put a thick piece of cord. You know, this hard time, so you know, little color cords that go in the back of the VCR. You know, just cut the head off and you know, find your wires like that. If you're not using it, you should use it like that. But anyways, I get a flathead screwdriver. Well, this is a Phillips, but pretend it's a flathead, and you just go like this back and forth, and you just cut through it. It don't take no more than like 9 seconds. Alright, this is how we fix it. This piece is what you will find in there. This piece is what you will find in there. And you just look for like maybe a little sister, your little brother's old toy, you know, these hard times. Look for a screw in it, you know, and try to find one pretty long, about, I don't know, about as long as a dime almost, not too long. And then, after you drill the hole there, drill the hole on above right there. Send the wires through, you know, pick a color, you might pick red, purple, green, whatever. Your look, you know, you doing your own hookup to it. And then after that, look, all you do, the hole's already there from where the wire once was. And then you just gonna put this on here, stick the screw. Alright, let me get the screwdriver. Alright. And you don't even have to try to line the little round black piece. It lines itself. And there you go. Fix the problem. Just that easy. So another production from Hard Times is brought to you by your boy HBP. And after that, we got our boy T-Mo and Babalu, known as Bob Waters. T-Mo the beat man. Alright. Might be in the other side. I don't see the piece right now, but I'm gonna find it. But once I find that piece, you know, that's the same piece here. You unscrew it 1, 2, you remove it, and after you fix it, you just put it back on the same way you took it off, and you fix your problem.
And as you can see, it still turns.
Yep, yeah. There you go, Babalu. It still turns. So it's like it never broke, and these will last you a very long time. A very long time before it really breaks. Over here, you see this white wire. That was the USB wire from the iPod wire that broke. You know, hard time. 5 wires that was needed in it, because wires like that with all those wires in it. So use a USB wire and you'll be all good. And you just do your own color code. You know what goes where. And you stick it back to the joystick piece. You know, the same way you soldered it off, the same way you soldered back on. Simple. I already need to show you that.
And that's the solder for the people who don't know.
They don't show that raggedy solder.
Well, we're not going to show them, but you know the solder.
I rusted out. Hard times. But that's the box right there. You know, you want to use this still, clean it out, cut it in half, or just clean it with a hot screwdriver and stick the wire through it and put crazy glue to try to hold it. And, you know, you got your own custom Turtle Beach.
Who's in the bag?
Brought to you by Spiritual Spiritual Therapy Ministry.